To reach net zero emissions by 2050, we must change the way we heat our homes. We will need to replace gas boilers with low-carbon heating systems such as ground source heat pumps. Ground source heat pumps use pipes buried in the garden to extract heat from the ground. Heat from the ground is absorbed at low temperatures into a liquid circulating through the underground pipes. The heat is passed to a refrigerant, which is then compressed, raising its temperature. A heat exchanger extracts the heat and transfers it to the radiators in your home or to an underfloor heating system. It can also be used to heat your hot water. The ground stays at a constant temperature under the surface, so the heat pump can be used throughout the year. Switching to a ground source heat pump will lower your carbon emissions and could lower your fuel bills too. Find out how Home Energy Scotland can help you install a heat pump on the Home Energy Scotland website.